Okay, quick one on putting the Olov IKEA legs on the Linnmon tabletop. This cardboard has nothing really in it, it's just you've got your base plate and a packet of screws and some instructions. You can look at them, you really don't need to with this video. So that's your plate or mounting plate, sorry. We're going to do that first by hand, okay? You see the end of the leg with the screw, the indented side down, okay? And just try and get it straight. I would be doing it on a table or some worktop, and just roll it until it's tight. And once that's on, you can feel it's really firm. And I've got, you can see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes. Just line them up, very easy visually. Okay, they're not quite right. Then, again, with the hand, you don't even need scissors for this one. I can just start them off by hand. They're pre-drilled, obviously, and they are the right size. Just pop them in by hand. I've got then an electric screwdriver, not a very powerful one, but with a Phillips head 2, if you could see that, PH2 head, and I'm just gonna put them in. Of course, you can do it just by hand. I mean, I've got a ratcheted screwdriver here, or any Phillips head 2 screwdriver is fine. I will finish off with that to be sure. If you hear it slipping, just try and make sure you're straight, a lot of downward pressure. And that's done, so rinse and repeat. Okay, and the legs just pull out like that, so nice and easy. And then I think, do they lock? I'm not sure exactly how you lock them in place, but I'll figure that out. For some reason these screws are much more difficult than the others. I don't know why. Maybe just the way they've been drilled. Finish off by hand. So then the last thing is, if you pull up the leg to adjust the height, you can see it's got numbers and the levels, and then, okay, that's the maximum, don't want to go beyond that last dot, and you're supposed to turn it clockwise to lock it in place. So let's see. Okay, as you can see, that took all of those turns to get even close to tight, but it actually, no, it is tight. It might have been fewer than that. So let's do this one up. Let's see, where are you on the last line? I'll get some feedback when I put it up anyway, if they're the right size. 1, 2, still not enough. 1, 2, still slipping. 3. Okay, 4 turns is what did it for that one. And let's do the other thing. 4 turns. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, actually 5. I don't know. till you feel it, I guess. Last line. I actually slipped, I felt, as I was turning it, so I don't know what's happened there. Oh, I have to go back. Right, one. Just keep turning until tight. Seems like it's a different amount of twists for every one of them, and yet it does get tighter and tighter the more you turn it, so I'm going to come back. Yeah, that one's a lot more than the others, and this one is already, well, no, it's still got, okay, let's have a look, turning it over. Okay, there's the table. That looks good enough to me. I might get a spirit level. It's not too much rocking. This leg looks a bit loose compared to the others. Otherwise, that is the IKEA Olov legs and Linnmon tabletop put up. Hope you found it useful. Cheers.